Hello friends, welcome to Honey Bloomback's classes. In this session, we will try to learn baby's name of some animals. As usual in the last, I have a little exercise for you kids. So let's see. Cow. Baby cow is calf. Sheep. Baby sheep is lamb. Lion. Baby lion is cub. Tiger. Baby tiger is cub. Dog. Baby dog is puppy. Elephant. Baby elephant is calf. Cat. Baby cat is kitten. Duck. Baby duck is duckling. Kangaroo. Baby kangaroo is joy. Camel. Baby camel is calf. Bear. Baby bear is cub. Butterfly. Baby butterfly is caterpillar. Let's memorize the session with a little exercise. Can you match the animals with their babies? Also, can you write their names? You can check your answers here. I hope kids, it has been a nice learning session for you. Thank you.